What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to file a dispute for incorrect transactions on Lendingclub. If you notice an incorrect or unauthorized transaction in your Lendingclub account, you have the option to file a dispute directly through the platform. Addressing this quickly ensures that your funds are protected and that the issue is resolved as soon as possible. Start by logging into your Lendingclub mobile app, or you can log in on the website. And then once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the transactions section and then locate the charge that you want to dispute. Tap on the transaction to open its details. Here you're going to see an option such as report a problem, or it could be called dispute transactions. You're going to be asked to provide some basic information, including whether the transaction was authorized, duplicated, billed incorrectly, or related to a service that was not received. Submitting supporting documents like receipts, communication with the merchants, or screenshots can help to speed up the process. Once a dispute is submitted, Lendingclub will investigate, often issuing a temporary credit to your account while they review the claim. You can track the status of your disputes under support or messages in the app. By staying proactive, you're going to ensure errors are corrected and that your money remains secure. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.